Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install and use Gcam on any Android device running on Android 12. So there's a special port created of Gcam and it's only available on the link in description. Like I tried many other links for OnePlus 70 and stuff, but I didn't find anything. And then I came across this blog which had many Gcam links for Android 12 especially, and it has been ported for Android 12. So make sure to download from the link in the description below and not from anywhere else. And it doesn't even require XML file or anything like that. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can just install it on your Android device running on Android 12. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So my name is Rohit and you're watching SnapTech. So let's get started. First, go to a link in description below and you will come across this site, theupgradeguide.com. And when you will scroll down, you will find out that it got many ported camera for Android 12 especially. So you can download any of this camera. So I will download the first one. Just click on download, and once it gives you pop up, just click on OK and wait for it to get downloaded. And as you can see now, a file has been downloaded. Then just open it and it will give you some option to allow some unknown sources. Go to settings and allow from unknown sources on your Chrome or web browser which you are using. So once you click on install, it will get installed and you don't need any XML file or anything for it. You just click on open and click on all the permissions, and once you do that, you can see that our camera has been started working, and it's a really good camera, like better from one coming on the custom ROM. So as you can see, and it got a lot of options, like for video mode it also works pretty well. You can go for time lapse and you can even select the speed for the time lapse. On the other hand, you can go for the slow-mo, but it crashed for some reason. So we'll go back to our camera, swipe down for some options. As you can see, we can even set a flash, timer and ratio of image. Like you want to keep a full image, we can do that. And even got a portrait mode and it works really well. And even we got night side if you want to click some pictures in night. And we got almost all the options we get in our stock OnePlus camera, and we even got one additional camera got Photosphere. Like we can click images and make a full 3D hologram type of thing. Now as you can see, I'm trying to recreate my room. On the bottom, if I will take it, as you can see, it's capturing everything in 3D, like the whole room. So it's got many other features, like you can just check it and install it by yourself. And then we will go to camera, and we got even panorama mode. Here you can click pictures if you want. So mainly it can be used for as a camera, backup camera of OnePlus that we get on our stock OS, and on custom OS we don't get a good camera. Like if you can see, we get a camera with many minimal options and very minimal choices. Like if you see here, we can just rotate, and even the camera quality is not that good. So with this another Gcam, we can just use it as our main camera, primary camera, and for our daily drivers. So I will just share some images I click from this camera and it will be on the next screen. Okay, so I was just capturing the sample images for this camera and I just came across this night side, and it's really amazing. Like I clicked the picture and I waited for some time. I just clicked the picture, and if I will open it, just look at it. Just look at all the details and the night side quality. That's really well. As you can see, we can't see this mic much on this camera, but if I will just click a picture, just look at it. And there are many more things, like if you'll see, we can't actually see the bag over there, but I'll just click a picture. If I just open this picture, just look at it. Just look at it, how well it just optimized our image, even in night side. Like if you can see, we can't see the poster right there, like not clearly of course, If I just turn off my monitor as well to test it, at the least I can do. So now if I will just go, then we can't see anything, like literally we can't see anything. So I'll just click this picture. And if I open this, just look at it. Just look at it. Like quite literally I can't even see anything on my iPhone as well. But if you will look at it, I'll just enable this night mode and click a picture. It's so well lit, like I can clearly see everything. I swear it's the best night side camera I ever saw. Like I think even OnePlus got this, but on any custom ROM getting this quality of images are really amazing. And next you will see some of the shots I clicked from this camera, like not in night side but normal camera and selfie and portrait. So just keep watching. So this is how you can install the Gcam on your Android device running on Android 12. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and this camera works really well. Like the only thing that's not working on my OnePlus 70 is macro lens and wide angle. Everything else just worked really well. And as you have seen in the sample images, 1x zoom, 2x zoom, and even the nightscape works really well, and even the video quality is really amazing than the stock camera from my custom ROM. So if you want, you can just try it out and see it for yourself, like what works and what not. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech related content. So this is it for this video. I'll see you meet in the next one. Snap Tech signing out.